Alright guys, I'm back. I had to do another video. I didn't even realize it until it ended randomly. So that's what it is. I'm gonna do it again. Doesn't matter, like I already said in the other one. It's like, doesn't feel like the other one I got, which was like all mud. Nothing goes away. Actually, maybe my body temperature changed it. No, not really. I'm gonna drive it. That time went way more further. So now I'm see what happens if I put it in water. Kitty. Yeah, nothing really changed. Oh, it got a little more dirty, but yeah, it's just sinking. It sinks. It keeps flipping over. Oh, that's cool. He drives underwater too. Okay, or not. Yeah, so it didn't really change. But maybe I'll try hot water. Hot lava and chicken. Hot lava and chicken. Helicopter. Alright. So. Peace, guys. Peace.